Hello students, today we are going to do new chapter lesson number 20 festival album and you are going to make project on it. So let us see what to do. To prepare a festival album with the help of your family and friends. Select any 10 festivals for your album. Here you can select any 5 festivals from the video which I have shown you. Collect information about each of the festivals using these points. Name of the festival. Why the festival is known by that name. If there is a story about the festival, you may write it in short. When does the festival occur? The date according to the Jan to December calendar this year. The date according to any other calendar every year. What do people do on that occasion? What special dishes are prepared at home? Do you invite other people to celebrate it with you? Is it a holiday in school? Do you send greeting cards and messages on this occasion? What do you write in them? Prepare a sample card. Try to get pictures or photographs suitable for the festival. You may also draw pictures related to the festival. Arrange your information and pictures, photographs in an artistic way on a big sheet of paper. Paste the photographs, pictures, use color pencils, pens, or write the information. See that your handwriting is neat and tidy. See the Makar Sankranti page given here. You may use other ideas for your album. When all 10 sheets are ready, pin or stitch them together. Use a blank sheet at the front and back to make a cover for your album. Write the name Festival Album on the front cover. Show your album to family and friends. Students, now one example is given how to do your project. This is a festival, Makar Sankranti. It is written on the top of the page. Then on Makar Sankranti, kites flying is there, so some kites are drawn here. You can also stick the pictures of the sweets made on that day or prepare on that day, and instruction is written over here. This way you can write for any other festival. So let us see what is written here. Makar Sankranti usually occurs on 14th January every year. This is the day when the sun starts Uttarayana, its 6 months long northwards journey in the sky. On this day, the sun is supposed to move to the Makar or Capricorn sun sign. On this day, people in Maharashtra visit one another, give sesame sweets to younger people and say Tilgul घ्या गोड बोला, means eat sweet, speak sweet. It's a sweet festival. People make gulachi podi and khichdi on this day. So which type of dish is prepared on this day is also mentioned over here. On this day, women distribute fresh ear of grains, bits of sugar cane, vegetables, etc. in beautiful clay pots. So here clay pots are shown. It's a harvest festival. Women give one another gifts. It's a festival of gifts. People in Gujarat fly beautiful kites on this day. It's Kite Festival. In Tamil Nadu, this is the time of Pongal, the sun festival. So, if on the same day any other festival is also celebrated, you can write some details about that. Thank you.